Dapat sila, I'm sure. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen. Teka, mukhang nagdi-discussion pa daw sila, nahihirapan sila. Alright, pasalamatan muna natin ating mga sponsors. Madison's Bay Beach House. Guys, mag-book na kayo. Fully book na ata sila talaga. Malay nyo, makasingit pa schedule nyo. The XIV Aroma Studio, Floral Creations by Yam, Marcus Swimwear, Burst Creative Studio, Aqua Sweet, Scout Plus, Derma World, and Mogu. Alright, Mrs. Jen, ready ka na? Alright, Mrs. Jen, give us your pick.
Yes, I'm ready. So I would like to commend on everyone and then good job, and I will see you on the grand final. My choice would be Mr. Mabini Malate.
Mr. Mabini Malate, my goodness! He's already bagged 3 today. Congratulations to you, brother. Tatlo, right? You bagged 3 awards today. Alright. Again, to all the other Hawks, huwag kayong mag-alala sa grand finals, and of course to Mr. Mabini Malate, huwag na din maging overconfident. Ipaalaban na natin sa grand finals. Again, this is just a pre-pageant. So laban lang na laban, Hawks. Ibang laban na next week. And of course, Sir Jonathan.
Sunod na sinagtahan. Posible hindi ko makukuha.
Definitely, sa grand finals, iba yung magiging Mr. ano eh, swimwear. Best in swimwear, iba pa rin yun.
Iba pa, of course.
But for tonight, my choice is Mr. Lardizábal Sampaloc.
Mr. Lardizábal Sampaloc, congratulations to you. I don't believe he's the first winner. Yeah. First time nanalo ni Mr. Lardizábal. Sir Carlo, before you pick your choice, I want to thank Marcus for the awesome swimwear that our awesome Hawks are wearing. Ayan. So congratulations to Brian, and congratulations to you, brother. And of course, congratulations to Sir Mabini Malate. Our last pick.
Okay, again, yung naging natin, pre-finals natin, walang bearing to for the grand finals. No? Depende pa rin magiging performance,
Right.
sa magiging support ng mga handlers natin at ng mga audience natin. They need your support, guys, so malaking bagay sa kanila yung buboost nila yung kanilang confidence dahil sa mga applause nila.
Yes.
Okay? So for me, for this, for tonight, pre-pageant, my choice is Mr. General Luna what's this? General Luna Malate.
Oh, Rio Rosado. There you go, General Luna Malate. Alright, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ang top 3 next week, we will get to know kung sino ba yung mga panalo sa ating top 3 contenders in every segment. And don't forget to grab your tickets while they are still available. Join us on December 2nd for the main event. To the host, maraming